Do you want to speak English but you don't know how to start? Today you will learn the most common sentences we use in our day today in a very simple way for A1 level. Repeat after me until the end of the video and you will see how great you can speak English. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video so that we can continue making more content. Let's get started. Morning, I wake up early. I open my eyes. I smile. I get up from bed. I make my bed. I open the window. The air is fresh. I take a deep breath. I do a stretching. I feel good. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. I look in the mirror. I get dressed. I put on a clean shirt. I put on comfy pants. I put on my socks. I put on my shoes. I'm ready. I go to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water. I make my breakfast. I eat bread. I eat eggs. I eat fruits. I drink tea. Sometimes I drink coffee. My breakfast is delicious. I eat my breakfast. I clean the table. I wash the dishes. Now my day starts, going to school or work. I leave my house. I close the door. I walk outside. The weather is nice. The sun is shining. It is sometimes cloudy. It is sometimes raining. I carry my bag. I walk to school. I sometimes take the bus. I sometimes ride a bike. I arrive on time. I say hi. I smile at everyone. I see my friends. I sit down. I listen carefully. I learn new things. I ask questions. I answer questions. I write in my notebook. I read English. I practice English every day. Learning English is fun. I like learning new words. Afternoon, it is lunchtime. I wash my hands. I eat my lunch. I eat rice. I eat chicken. I eat vegetables. I drink water. My lunch is delicious. I feel happy after lunch. I go back to class. Sometimes I study. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I use my computer. I learn something new. I finish my homework. I go home. I feel a little tired. Evening, I arrive home. I take off my shoes. I relax for a moment. I drink some water. I talk with my family. We laugh together. I help at home. I clean my room. I make my bed again. I study English. I read simple stories. I learn new words. I repeat the sentences. Practice makes progress. I never give up. I watch a short video. I listen to English. I speak English out loud. Every day I get better. Night I eat dinner. Dinner is delicious. I drink a glass of water. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I change my clothes. I wear comfy pajamas. I think about my day. Today was a good day. Tomorrow is a new day. I am thankful. I feel calm. I turn off the lights. I close my eyes. I go to sleep. Good night. Sleep well. See you tomorrow. Daily routine practice. Repeat after me. I wake up early. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study English. I eat lunch. I go home. I help my family. I read a book. I eat dinner. I brush my teeth. I go to bed. Very good. Now let's repeat again. I wake up early. I drink water. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I leave my house. I walk to school. I learn English. I read English. I listen carefully. I speak slowly. I practice every day. I go home. I help my family. I eat dinner. I relax. I read a book. I go to sleep. Excellent. Remember, practice every day. Speak slowly. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Small steps make big progress. You can do it. Thank you for practicing English with me. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.